Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic high-performance machines on the planet, the 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo S. If you're a fan of power, precision, and unmistakable style, this car is going to grab your attention. Let's break down everything from its sculpted exterior to the finely tuned driving experience and, of course, the price tag that comes with it. From the outside, the 2025 911 Turbo S maintains its classic silhouette, but Porsche has refined it with subtle yet aggressive enhancements. The front end features sharper air intakes and matrix LED headlights with a sleeker, more modern signature. Its widened rear haunches and active rear spoiler give it a muscular stance that reminds you, this isn't just a sports car, it's a beast waiting to be unleashed. You'll also notice the large air vents on the rear bumper that aid in cooling the powerful engine. Rolling on 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels, the car looks planted and poised to pounce. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that blends traditional Porsche quality with futuristic tech. The 911 Turbo S comes with a 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that's crisp and responsive, with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials feel premium throughout. Leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber are used tastefully. The driver-focused cockpit features digital gauges alongside the classic analog tachometer, preserving that timeless Porsche feel. Seats are both heated and ventilated, with 18-way adjustability, offering supreme comfort whether you're cruising or carving corners. And while it's not a family hauler, there are 2 rear seats, perfect for short trips or extra storage. Now, let's talk performance, because that's where the Turbo S truly shines. Under the rear deck lid sits a 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine that pumps out a monstrous 640 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.6 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars on the road today. The power is delivered through an 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission and Porsche's advanced all-wheel drive system, giving it both brutal acceleration and phenomenal grip. The adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and carbon ceramic brakes work together to create a car that's just as comfortable on daily roads as it is dominating a racetrack. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo S starts around $235,000 in the US, but that number can rise quickly with options. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Explorer, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Would you also like me to write you a shorter version for YouTube Shorts or a hook for the intro?